Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore how to easily find and enjoy your saved Facebook Reels on your PC. Whether you're a fan of short-form videos or just want to keep track of your favorite content, this tutorial is perfect for you. First things first, let's get started by opening Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see your familiar Facebook homepage. Now let's navigate to your profile. To do this, simply click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your Facebook profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to find those saved Reels. Look for the Reels section, which should be visible on your profile. Click on it to enter the Reels area. Here, you'll see all sorts of Reels-related content, including those you've created and interacted with. To view your saved Reels, you need to select the Saved Reels option. This will show you all the Reels you've saved to watch later or revisit at your convenience. It's a great way to keep track of your favorite videos without having to search for them every time. The best part about saving Reels on Facebook is that they are only visible to you, so you don't have to worry about others seeing what you've saved. This feature is especially useful if you're looking for a way to organize your content privately. If you're having trouble finding your saved Reels, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your internet connection is stable. Also remember that Facebook regularly updates its features, so if you notice any changes, don't worry. It's just part of their ongoing effort to improve your user experience. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily access and enjoy your saved Facebook Reels on your PC. Whether you're a casual user or a content creator, this feature is a great way to enhance your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.